to see one very important program which is asked many times in interview. The interviewer asks you to create this pyramid. Okay, so how he wants, like, one should be printed first, then one and two should be printed, then one, two, three, then one, two, three, four. And similarly, at the same time, whatever the values present at the right, same to be reflected at left. So he want this. So this is little tricky one. Normal pyramid we can easily print, but this needs some little more logic. So to develop a program for this, we are going to divide this whole structure in three parts. One part is this gap which is present here. Okay, second part is this one right angle triangle which is this, and third part is this remaining right angle triangle. Okay, so in these three ways we are dividing this our structure. You can also divide it this like in this right angle triangle, and then you are use only this next time this right angle triangle. So we have three, we have divided right now in three ways this. So now let's try to print this in output. So watch carefully here guys, it is like from 1 to 4. So we have to achieve this condition first, and then we will think about the further thing like to how to put the gap and how to put this rest of the right angle triangle. So first I will print this one. So for that, write one for loop int, let's consider a variable a is equal to 4. Now a greater than equal to 1, a minus minus. So let's print this system dot out dot print ln. So now let's check what it is going to print us. So let's run this. Here you can see the output. See, it is going to print me 1 2 like 4 3 2 1. Okay, I want this in single line. So for that I am removing this ln. Then I again run this. See, 4 3 2 1. Our first condition is satisfied guys. Like I want this 4 3 2 1. Okay, now next thing is I want to print this 4321 like in this format. So every iteration the last digit will be gone destruct, self-destruct. So for that we can use one logic such as, now you can create one logic so it will going to print this all 4 lines in reverse order. So for that, see here 4 lines. So I am going to write one code to iterate those 4 lines. So for integer I is equals to 1, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. Now this is going to give me the like 4 different lines. So for that, system out dot println, and here I am going to print nothing because it is just giving me the 4 different lines. So let's see now how our code is going to react for this one. It should present 4321 4 times. Yeah, see, we get result like 4321 4 times. So now we don't want this, like we have to remove every time last character, and at the end we have to remove all those 3 characters. So how we can achieve this? So for this you have to just simply put here we are declaring a as 4, but for every iteration you can declare here a as I, so it will automatically going to decrease one value. Okay, so if I declare here a as I, then it is going to reduce from 1 to 4 at first iteration, which will give us this value. Then at next iteration it is I is like 2, right? So because of I is 2, then it will be iterated like 4, 3 and 2. So for that 4, 3, 2 we have values like 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you will get understand it, guys. Just try to uh, like reconcentrate on my words what I just said. Then I again try to print this and see we achieve this condition uh, where I am going to get all those values. Just till now forget about the space we have. Okay, the next thing now we are going to do is we want space. Like see here there is space for 3 characters. Here there is space for two numbers. Here is space for one number. So how to give the space? So to achieve that, in this curly bracket just put enter and create one for loop again. Integer, let's name is b is equal to, now see here we want space for 3 characters, right? So 3, then here 2, here 1. So to achieve this we are going to create one iteration from 3 b greater than equal to 1 and b minus minus. I did minus minus because I am decreasing my values from here like 3, then 2 and then 1. So it will going to print me the gap. So let's print this system dot out dot println. Just remove this ln, guys, and then put here b, not b. We are going to give space, so I am going to add one string and giving you here one space. So now for this let's check how it behaving. So see we are getting here space, but you as you can see we are getting here space for 3, yeah, then 2 and then we want 1, so it is not printing in the way we wanted. So what we can do, we can write one this same variable, so it will print for that particular one only. So let's try to put it here I. So let's check how our output reacts. So no, we don't have to put it here. This 3 here want must like I. So let's check how it presents. See, so at during every iteration, now what is going to be here? Like it is started from 1 and till 3 it was go. Okay, so at first iteration it is going to create 3 spaces. Okay, when this is increased at 2, then this also become 2. Okay, if it is 2, then it is going to print only 2 spaces, because after 2 then minus minus till 3. So it is going to give me another 2 space. So in this way I will achieve this 2 condition, like one right angle triangle is there and our space condition is also we are done with our space condition also. Now our third condition is we have to print our rest right angle triangle, which is this 2, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. So for this we have one simple logic. Again we have to create one for loop here. Int c is equal to, see now we have to print in straightforward way like 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So we can start our counting from 2 till c less than equal to 4, then c plus plus. Okay, then in front of this I am going to write system dot out dot println. So here I am going to print c. Okay, so whatever the characters I have present in c, they are going to get printed here. So here, as you can see, this again is going to give us error because we are not instantiate this variable here. So means in this must be act in little different way. It is going to print all the values like 234 234 234 three times. So to create an instance for that, I need to put here this initialize this variable here. But before that I am going to show you the how it exactly look like if I run like this. And if you face any problem during interview, like in the middle of the interview, then don't panic, just try to solve it. See see, as I said, it is going to give me 234 234 234. Now to avoid this, I am going to create this instance variable at here I. So now, as I said, it is going to increase from 2 to 4 as C++ goes on, and every iteration all values are going to change and replace. So in at the end we are going to receive this output. So let's try to run this again. See, this pyramid is completed now. So here we achieve three conditions. Initially we created this right angle triangle, then we provide these spaces which is present here like 3, 2, and 1, and then at the end we are going to print this one. Okay, so this is the way guys to achieve this. Definitely it is little tricky and little confusing. Just try to see once again if you didn't understand it. Thank you.